It's your turn now. Look through your pantry and find those overlooked items. Combine juicy olives, ripe tomatoes, and salty feta for a quick salad. Or spice up some leftover soup with a sprinkle of grains and bold spices. See? Cooking isn't about strict rules, it's about experimenting. Imagine your kitchen as a playground for flavor. Try, taste, and create something delicious. Share your inventive recipes in the comments below. This isn't just about saving time, it's about rediscovering the fun and creativity that cooking can offer. Together, we can build an inspiring cooking community. Let's make simple meals feel extraordinary, one idea at a time. Enjoyed this video? Click like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you'll never miss a recipe. Each week, we'll bring you more ideas, tips, and tricks to make cooking easier and full of joy. This is Clever Mum signing off, where we cook smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.